Well, I caught a bunch of slack on my homeboy because I took the time to paint this, but I didn't paint that, and I didn't paint that. Oh my Lord. Well, I hope you're happy because I painted that. So, guess I'll put that on, and I'm not painting that. So that means I have to disconnect it, and I'm not doing that. But I might do the caliper down. That little piece right there. I might do that. But I ain't doing that. But I don't know. I still got to pull that off. And this little rod here and that piece there, you got to pull off still. That motherfucker was a bitch. But it's in there. What, man, this thing right here has been a real fight. Let's show you what happened here. They got this hub on there. You see that bolt right there? And then that one. And the one on the other side. Right down there. This one was not bored straight. And what I mean by that, when they drilled that hole and put it in there, it wasn't straight. It was tipped to the left a little bit. And not enough you couldn't see it, but just enough that you couldn't start that damn bolt. I had to pull that hub back, start the bolt, push it up, and pull that hub. But man, let me tell you something. 1/4 turn at a time on every one of these things until it finally closed up. Man, what a bitch that was. I almost gave up on it. I was going to give it back to him, but once that thing got closer to the shoulder right there, it started getting easier, and it pulled in the rest of the way with no problem. What a mess. It's pretty much over. Ah, fuck. Everything new except for everything red. Everything red is old. New ball joints here with tie rods. New stabilizer bushings. That damn ball joint right there. I ain't never doing one of them again, but it's new. That's new. New arm, new bushings here, new bushings there. The hub inside, that chrome piece, that silver spot, I mean, right there. That's what started all this shit. And now all I gotta do is put that caliper on. And no, I ain't painting that motherfucker either. Alright, it's all over but the crying. I'm fixing to cry. I'm gonna put this bitch on tomorrow. I'm leaving that. It's late. I'm going home. Well, actually, I'm going to get something to eat. So until next time, peace out.